when the time is up, and there is a red bar on the screen and shows that time's up, and you need to input the unlock code to unlock the machine. And if this situation shows, and you need to enter into the background. So look at the small black editor and press OK for several seconds, and the screen shows enter into the background and choose account report and press OK, and it shows choose yes or no, and now you choose yes, and then it shows choose account report, and you can see the screen. And now you need to use the white color code editor to calculate the code and input the code. And you can do the steps as the prompt. Enter the total account and this time account and the machine number and the time of in unlock and the modify code. Enter this 5 group of message to the white color code editor, and there is a code source in the white color editor screen, and enter this group of number into the machine, and account report can finish, and the machine time is increased, and the red bar on the screen will disappear.